Guys, it's me, and today we are just playing some Minecraft like usual. And right now, as you can see, I already started this world, and we are trying to achieve every achievement there is in 15 minutes because that's really all the time I have for each video. So, yes, we are trying to achieve every achievement, and we are also trying to get some pumpkins so we can plant them, and one extra pumpkin so we can put it on our heads when we're fighting Endermen. So, yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. So first, let's get in this house because I can't even get it. We got an ender pearl so far. One, because so once it was raining and I heard like a weird teleporting sound, like when an enderman teleports, like whoop, 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 all around the house, and I was like, oh my gosh, what's going on? So then I went to sleep, and the next day it was daytime. And when I looked outside, there was an ender pearl just standing there, and a dirt block. And and then I said, "Oh, I guess then what I saw was and what I heard was an Enderman teleporting all around because, they hate water and rain is water." Did I? No, why did I do that? Hello, Rosebush. I wish you could actually, when you go on a cactus, you, get hurt. I wish that happened to the same thing, Rosebush, because do you see those spikes? Looks weird. I don't want you. Wait, I want to try something out. Let's see, I had no idea you could actually make smooth sandstone. What about this? Okay. No, that's not possible. Is there such thing as cobblestone bricks? I'm gonna go look in my recipe book. It's kinda cheating, I know. It's just a little bit. Okay, so let's go over here. So stone bricks. Cob bull stone. Okay, so there's stone bricks. So this is stone bricks. So you need 4 stone for stone bricks. Okay, that's fine with me, but how much copper do I even have? 6. I was about to say 0, but then I realized I had 6 in my inventory. 1 leftover sandstone, and we have 4 smooth sandstone. So let's put that in our collection of useless stuff and useful stuff. Gosh, I had so much things in here, and I have a bunch of wood, which is useful. Like, wood really comes in handy. It is useful for furnaces, houses, and other stuff, like tools. Is it even nighttime? Okay, I really hate that it is nighttime. Why isn't it letting me sleep? So we're gonna sleep. Okay. I don't really know why I have 2 beds, but sure. So let's see. We got some stone ready. 3 stone. We need 4 more. But still, I really want the 6. Then we would have to get 1 more cobblestone for it to be even. I'm good at math. Well, kind of. Not really. I usually just play Minecraft. But I do study, so I am kind of good at math. So I'm not saying that I'm bad, but I'm good. Like, kind of. I really like that you can open chests from a long distance. Yay, stone bricks. And we get stone brick slabs, which look cool. So now let's okay. So, I just realized we could this into cobblestone slabs. I mean, stone brick slabs. Oh, right. If you don't know, this is the kitchen. Most stupid sign of you might have ever seen. I know. It's just that once somebody came in to my house, and they were like, "What's that?" And I was like, "The kitchen." And then more people came in and kept asking the same things. So I got tired of saying it that I just made a sign to say it for me. Oh, how I love signs. Let's have some breakfast. And let's go exploring inside our boat. I'm trying to find some pumpkins. Because that's part of our plan, right? Why am I going so slow? Whatever. I can't get off. Okay, there. Seriously? Ah! That's better. Think I hear a skeleton. And it's exactly what I need for my little farm. Because if I kill it, I get bones, and bones are used for bone meal. Oh, there's our little horsey. How are you, little horse? Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. La 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 la. Wait, now how do I get up? Like this. Now let's try to find some bones there because, you know, when skeletons burn, they drop the achievement unlocked. 10 pork chop. Cook and eat pork chop. Okay, that's cool. So we have gotten 10 achievements so far. 9 from when I wasn't recording, and 1 from when I'm recording. That's like the most saddest sentence I've ever heard. Jump! Okay, I made it. And now let's do some more parkour. I felt like I just walked off and I didn't even press the space bar. Yay, I did not walk off in that one. I am the king of the hill. Now let's jump off. Gosh, that took a lot of my health. Oh, hello, chicken. I'll leave you alone. Oh, hello, wheat. How are you? I need some food. I'm not going to use these apples until I can find some gold, so I can make some golden apples. So, guys, when I show you the recipe for golden apples, when I get the gold, which I don't really have gold, but I can teach. So, you know how when you go to your crafting table, not your craft table, difference. This is craft table, and crafting table is this. So you see how there's 9 squares, right? So you put the apple in here, and then you surround it by gold ingots to make a golden apple. And to make an enchanted golden apple, you put the apple over here, and then you surround it by gold blocks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's also a mod for yellow apples and green apples. To make a yellow apple, you put the apple anywhere in your crafting table or craft table, and then right between it, you put the yellow dye, and then it makes yellow apple. But they don't have any special effects, not really. I don't know why I'm talking so much about my daily life and about this video. Do you guys know why? Does this ever happen to you when you are making videos, if you make videos? Oh no. I am not good at riding boats. What does it look like when you're riding boats? We will find out today. Oh, it actually looks really cool. Hello. Okay, let's stop it because it's kind of annoying. I wish I had Chuck Norris. But he's just a villager. He doesn't really work for anything. You don't need him for anything. Not really. Oh no, a zombie. Please don't get into my boat. What am I doing? Fight him off in my boat, which is the most stupid thing to do, but the easiest one. Once I realized there was an octopus in my boat, and it was really awkward. He was just there, and then when I broke the boat, did I just find clay? Okay, let's get out of here. I think I just did. Well, clay's always useful. Yes, we found ourselves some clay. A lot. Well, not really. 16? That was like 5 blocks I broke, and now I have 620. Gosh. Now I'm stuck in the nowhere. That's not good. I don't even have food. Well, there's plenty of animals around. But I have my weapons and I can die, and I don't want to. Was there even a brick? Guys, I wish you were here to tell me where to go, because this is not like daily life. In daily life, I really get around in places and I remember where I am, but I should have paid more attention to my path. Now I'm lost. Oh, actually, no, I'm not. Yes, I am, I think. Yep, I am. I'm lost. Yeah, I'm lost. I'm never gonna get... I'm hungry. Now I can't sprint jump. Now I won't be able to get to my house as soon as I want to. It's getting late. Oh, raw beef. You're my friend, right? Let's still not run, because we need a full bar to be able to regen. I'll just kill you. So I have some food to live the light the whole night, I hope. Oh, I can't find my house, and that's gonna be a super big bummer if I don't find it soon. And it's nighttime. I better stay in the water, where barely anything can get me.